Hi guys, this is Vishay Thakur once again and welcome back to my channel Beginners Tutorial. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the topic data types. Data types in Python. So what are data types? For data types we can say that data type is a parameter to categorize the data values or data items in a specific variable. And data types can be in few forms, like in Python we do have list, float, sets, string and few more. So in this video we are going to discuss about sets. What are sets? So let us take a variable here x which is having values from 1 to 10. Basically a set is a kind of variable which is including all the numeric values in it. So let's take another variable here, y variable 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in y variable we have values from 2 to 8. Let us create another set here, z. Guys, please keep this in mind that in sets we put the values in curly braces. So in z we have values like 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So here we have made three sets x, y, z respectively. So what more with the sets? So guys, if you have studied earlier, maybe in 8th or 10th class, then we do have some functions in sets. Like, let us apply some of those functions here. We do have union there. So we will apply union here, x union y. So see, we are getting an output here in that we are getting the values from 1 to 10. So this must not be clear with these x and y sets. Let me make clear. So let me make clear this with y and z sets. So here, let us apply y union oh, y union z. So here we can see that here we have common values like 3, 4, 5, and 8. So in output we are getting values like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, 12. So what basically union provide to us is the unique values in both the sets. So let's try with another function here, like intersection x intersection y. So here we are getting the output from 2 to 8, values from 2 to 8. So what does this intersection means here? Intersection basically provides us the values which are common in both the sets. Like in x and y we have common values like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let us check this with y and z. Y intersection z. So in y and z sets we can see that we have values common 2, not 2, 3, 4, 5 and 8. So we can see the output here. So let's try with another function here, like difference y difference z. See, 267 is the output here. So what does this difference mean here? In difference, you can say that if we are putting the algorithm like y difference z, then we are making the values from y with respect to z. Like here we have common values 3, 4, 5. Irrespective of common values, we have here 2, 6, 7, which is not common in both the sets. So if I am writing y difference z here, then we'll get the values which are not common in z from y. So let's take in reverse direction, like z difference y. See, in z we have values 9, 10, 11, 12 which are not common in y. So there are a lot of functions in this which you can try with, and what all function you can apply to the specific variable we can check this like this directory, and we will put the variable name in the directory, like I'm putting here x. So we can check all the functions here which we can apply to the specific variable. So let's try with another function here, like I'm applying x subset of y. So what basically I'm trying to say here, oh, this is giving me the error. I have mistakenly put a dot here. See, so basically we are getting a result here as false. This means that I'm asking a statement to the Python that x is a subset of y. So what basically a subset means? I'm saying that x is having all the values which y is already containing, and you can see clearly that y is containing the values which are available in x. So instead of writing x is a subset of y, we should have written y is subset of x, because y is containing all the values which are included in x. See, so here we are getting the result true. So guys, there are a lot of functions here. So obviously I cannot show you all the functions in this video. So you can try your hands on. And that's all for my video, guys. I hope you like the videos, and if you have any of the queries, then please do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys.